services, new batches. Where is new batches? Okay. Not there. Okay, we'll try directly. What is there in that? nareshit.com. What is there? New batches. Yeah. nareshit.com. What? New batches. Fine. This is the URL of new batches are not there, guys. Copy this. Yeah, I think already this is there. Right. Click on this. Do you want to add any request parameters? Nothing. Okay, what is the mode of request? Get. Okay, here I am giving save it. Saved or not there. Fine. To the same thread group, add listeners. Listeners means where you want to see the output. Okay, view results in what? Table. Okay, view results in what? Table. You want to save them in a file? No. Save. Yeah. So we created some setup there or not there. Okay. Now I want to check whether it is working or not there. Click on run button. Click on what? Run button. At the corner, you can see that those 10 requests are gone or not. We can check that or not there. 0 by 10. No requests are given. How come? Okay, maybe currently no requests are there, but you're already there, already gone, currently not there. So see guys, all the details are coming now. First request. That means simulator is created. Simulator is generating 10 requests from 10 users are not there. 10 requests from 10 users are not there, guys. Check it out. Yeah. Now tell me. Thread name. Okay. Label. Sample time. Status. This. Send bytes. Latency. Connection time. How much time the connection is there? How much time the connection is there? Everything is coming over there or not there, guys? Is it not interesting, my dear? Yeah. So we need not to arrange 10 users, 10 different machines and making them generating requests. Here we can happily create simulator, bringing that same setup or not there. Okay. Somehow I'm interested in what? Thread group. I will make it what? Infinite. I make it infinite. So what I do is, let me clear this result. Let me clear it. No, that is removing. Clear is not there. Yeah, first one. Okay, for existing result gone, right? Yes. Save it. Yeah, select it. Click on this. Those 10 requests are continuously going, guys. Yeah. It is able to take happily request now, boss. Understood, guys? Yeah. You want to stop it? Just stop. Happily report has come or not there? Happily the report has come. What do you say, boss? Come on. Here, happily the report has come. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Right. View results in what? Table 1. This is what? HTTP request 1. This is what? View results in what? Table 1. This is what? Clear. We are clearing this one or not there. Okay. Now, I want to increase number of requests, boss. 1000 I have taken. Save it. I don't want to repeat my number of time. Look, God, only 1,000 requests are given at a time. Let's see what happens. Saved, guys. Click on run button. See, when I give 1,000 requests at a time, some failure is coming now, boss. Did you notice that? 1,000 means it's giving error or not? All these are errors, right? Okay, green color means success. This one. Okay, go to this place. Save this. I have given just what? 100. I have just given 100. Okay, let's clear the result. Jmeter 1. Click on save button. Say, I'm asking to stop the existing one, guys. Shutting down all the test thread. You can see number of active thread in the this one. Number of active threads. Takes time. Okay, now it got shut down. Earlier 1,000 given, 1,000 failed. What we can do? We cannot do anything because at a time 1,000 is not ready to take. Because this website is not designed to take what? 1,000 requests a day. Now I'm trying with what? 100. 100. Click on this. 100 by 100 are coming currently. Yeah. Right click. What is there? Right click. What is there? When I give 100 requests at a time, does it taking, guys? Does it taking, my dear? No. Why? Why? Okay, now listen. I'll tell one small in clear it. Now I'll go to back. I'll go back. Thread group 1. Here is what? 100. 10 only I have taken. Acha, infinite loop is there. Fine. Remove the infinite loop and what is there? 100. Save it. Okay. Again, infinite is coming. How come? When I save, it is taking infinite. How come? Very bad designing, na? Okay, let me put like this. Hey, it's a bad designing now, boss. Action to be taken after sampler error. Continue. 100. Why it is going to infinite loop? Ramp up time is 1. Acha, acha, got it. Yeah, now I understood. Some no number is there, it's thinking infinite. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Still, I say it's not user friendly. Yeah, some number is not there, no, it is thinking infinite. Okay. Fine. 100 users are given, guys. Save it. Okay. You stop the existing setup. You stop the existing setup, guys. It's slowing down number of requests. Right click, guys. Click on. I started it. Yeah. See, guys, 100 requests are given. Currently, no requests are there. All of them failed or not there. Okay, now I'll show the magic. Wait. Don't come to one conclusion. Why 100 requests also failing? Okay, now I clear it, guys. Clear the result. Go to Jmeter project, thread group 1. I'll take what? Only 10 was. I'll take only 10. Okay, now after 10, I saved everything. Click on run button. Still failed or not there? Sir, initially when I give 10 success, now when I give what? This one. Nothing is there. Naresh ID is a famous website. They have kept firewall. What is there? Firewall. This firewall is checking. This request is continuously coming from same IP address, same setup or different setups. Same setup means the firewall is assuming some hacker has involved. Who has involved? Hacker has been involved. That's why it is not allowing to take what? Back to back request from same client. Back to back request from what? Same client. Everything same. Maximum for popular website, same thing happen. You try google.com, same problem. Initially it looks like it allows, but later it won't allow because first time it will trust you. Second time it realizes, this guy is coming back again and again. Let's doubt him. So once doubt start, firewall comes into pitch. Aisa no na guys. So that's why it's better to test local applications. Our own classroom applications are there, which is there in local server. We don't know what is firewall and we have not applied any firewall also, right? Okay, now fine. Okay, now I'll show the same problem for what? Google.com also. Can I show same problem for google.com, guys? New Jmeter. What is there? Jmeter pros 2. Jmeter pros 2. Jmeter pros 2. Okay, fine. Save this. Add thread groups. Where is this thread? Number of threads. What is there, guys? Number of threads. Okay. 1,000 I'll take. Ramp up. Okay, fine. No infinite loop, nothing. Only one time. So again, what? Thread group 1. Every project is different project, guys. In every project, every thread is different. Sampler, HTTP request 1. Sampler, HTTP request 1. What's the protocol, guys? HTTP. Address is what? HTTP or HTTPS? If you don't give protocol also, no problem. It will pick up automatically. What is there? Google.com. Google.com. Okay. The component. Okay, fine. That is base website only. Let's test. Let's test what? Base website only. Save it. Yeah. Next one, thread group 1. Add sampler. I want to see sampler, not sampler. Okay. Listener. Listener. View results in table. View results in table 1. Save it. I want to see 2 results today. Add. Where is that? Listener. Yeah, tell me, boss. Summary report. I'm interested in what? Summary report. I'm definitely interested in what, guys? Summary report. Are you getting my point there or not there? Yeah, this is my summary report. Now let me add the summary report for whole project, whole thread, not for one. Add, where is this? Listener, summary report. This. Yeah, 2 things we have taken. Now selected, guys, this. Okay, given and now going back. Given and what? Now going back. Result table, guys, success has come. Google.com, first time success, na? Summary report also coming nicely, na, boss? Summary report also coming nicely, na? Okay, now let's stop the first test. Still 4 requests are in pending, boss. Fine, no problem. Okay, it's trying to reduce the count. Be patient. I think now it came zero now. Okay, fine, not going. Let's stop it then. Yeah, stop. Now earlier success came na, 1,000 also success came. Now you run the again. Again 1,000 requests came, given and going back, right? Now view results. Don't go by initial one, guys. Don't go by what? Initial one. Oh, good. It's good. Okay. Initial one. Summary report. Okay. It's giving this one. Okay, fine. So what I do is thread loop. Here I'll go for infinite. 1,000, I say infinite. Okay. And here it's working now. Let's take what? Infinite. Yeah. Tell me, click on this. Continuously 1,000 requests, guys. Yeah. Started na? Hangama started or not there? Did you notice that? Okay, now I clear the result. Here also I clear the result. Here also I clear the result because still going on. Na? That's why summary is still come. Clear. Okay, clear. So, thread group one. I'll go for 100 requests. No infinite. Only one time only I want to repeat. But now we are totally outside the setup, right? Clear, guys. Summary report clear. Summary report clear. Yeah. Yeah. Now tell me, what is the one we are going to plan? What is the one? Click on this green button. Okay. View results tree. Now see, it's a firewall protected website, na guys. It's a firewall protected website, na. Up to some extent only, it will allow requests from same IP address based client. After that, if you are keep on sending, it won't trust you. It will definitely send what? Error or not there, guys. Come on, are you getting my point, my dear? That's good. Fine. Let it be, guys. Okay. Now, keeping this one in mind, so let's test our application. So our application means what? We should open Eclipse IDE to run one or other web application now, guys. I think in Maven classes or Gradle classes, we have one web application. So let's test, which is not having any firewall protection. Is it having any firewall protection, guys? No. Yeah. Tell me. NT Tools 905. NT Tools 905. Close all editors. I think we have a web application. A lot of web applications are there. Maven also there. 05 is web application. Huh? Yeah, Maven prod 07 test web application. Right click, tell me, run on server. Save finish. Yeah, find season, we are getting output. Take this one, guys, and test it. Take this one and what? Test it. File, new, test plan. Yeah. Jmeter pros 3. What is there? Jmeter pros 3. Save in this location. Right click, threads, thread group, thread group 1. What is there? Thread group 1. Yeah. Number of users, 1000. Okay, 100 only. Ramp up seconds, infinite loop, I don't want. Okay, save it. Under thread group, add. Where is this? Sampler request. What request, guys? This is what? HTTP request 1. What is there? HTTP request 1. Tell me here, what is the story? Server name or IP address. Here is what? Port number. Okay, here local host. This is not a having a website site having URL as a website name. So you have to give multiple details here or not there. HTTP. What is that? Port number. It is running on 7799 port number. Am I right? Is running on which port number, guys? Yeah, 7799. It's definitely running on which port number? 77. Yeah, what is next one? Meven pros 07. What is there? Meven pros 07 test web app. Meven pros 07 test web app. Test web app. I think all details are given, guys. That's good. Saving. Yeah, where you want to see the result? Where you want to see the result? I would like to see the result. Listener. View results in table. View results in what table? View results in table. Say. It's happily working or not? It's happily working or not there. So one time 100 requests have come. Right click, clear. See, again it is taking another 100 requests. Clear. Okay, again click on it. Again taking 100 requests, guys. Why it is not so worried about? Because this is a local application, no firewall, nothing. Did I apply any firewall on my Tomcat server? It's happily allowing or not there. So, it happily allowing or not there, guys. See, while doing testing, without firewall only they test. That's why those requests come from same IP address, same client, no problem, right? But in reality, on big million cylinder, no, your request will not come from what? Same client. Request will come from what? Various client. So that time, real scenario also it is going to test or not there. And firewall anyhow stops request coming from same request coming from what? Same client, same browser again and again, right? So thread group one, not thread group one, guys. I changed this one to 10,000. I changed this one to what? 1,000. Yes. Biggest hacker of Amirpet. Hoora. Hoora, Babu. Yeah. Tell me. Still success is coming or not? Still success is coming or not there? Yeah, I think my theory and practical is matching now, my dear. Google.com first time allowed, second time also allowed, but third time onward, sorry, boss. I'm doubting you. You can cheat me one time, two times, not every time, right? I'm not your lever to cheat me again and again, right? Okay, you can cheat me only one, two time. I'm an intelligent person, right? But because firewall, don't give credit to Google.com. Google.com is just website. Firewall is taking care of that support or not. But right now, Tomcat application, no firewall. That's why no question of this. Convinced, my dear? Yeah. Yeah, all with all screenshot, this is given. Result, this one. What is ramp up? Ramp up and what? Startup site. Ramp up. You might have used ramp up or similar approach to avoid what? Spike at the test start. For example, configure thread group to have what? 100 threads and set up ramp up period to what? 0. Then all threads would have started at the same time, and that would reduce what? Unwanted spike on the application startup, right? On the top of that, you set ramp up period too high. It might be, it might result to too few threads being what? Available at the every beginning and to achieve what? Required load. So ramp up period means what? Because of ramp up period, how much gap should be there before starting each user thread? 1 second gap. First 1 second gap. Second 1 second gap. So that what happened? All threads will not start at a time. Otherwise, what happened? Initially, 1000 means 1000 threads started. So initial spike will be more or not there. Precise throughout timer. Schedules execution in a random way. So it can be used to generate what? Constant load and recommended to set both ramp up period and what? Delay to 0. Set a ramp up period what? Delay to. If you use any timer kind of thing. Okay. If you don't use any timer, if you don't use what? Any timer, this is the story that we have to focus or not. This is the story that we have to focus or not there, guys. Add different types of listener to see the report in what? Different form. Aggregate report. Aggregate report means summary report or aggregate report. Okay. You will get summary report kind of thing or not there, guys. Testing the web application that needs what? Request param values. Google.com. If you want, you can password request parameter. You can pass the request parameter or not there, guys. So there will be website taking inputs as request parameter, right? So if you want to pass request parameter, there is a provision to password request parameter. Okay. Now listen. Yeah, there are so many websites which need some request parameter to get the result. Maybe in google.com, check it out. In google.com, yeah, what you have to say? Natras sir. So Natras sir, yeah, I think Java Natras sir. I think they will recognize me as a Java Nat. How you type, Ra? Yeah, Java by Natras. Fine. Something is there, na boss? Okay, fine. So this is the input, guys. See, what is the request parameter name? Q. Plus Java plus Natras plus SAR is there or not there? Is there or not there, guys? Yeah. Q is equal to Java plus Natras plus SAR is coming over there or not there? Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. So like this, I want to give request having request parameter. Then what should I do? Okay. I'll go to this Jmeter, guys. 1 minute. Already google.com one project is there. I don't want to waste my time. I want to open that project. Okay. Pros 2 is for google.com only now. Pros 2 is what? Google.com. Yeah. In this thread group 1, tell me. HTTP request one. What is there? HTTP request one. Here, what is there? Search. Search. Parameters. What is there? Add. What is there, guys? Add. Q is equal to. What is equal to? Q is equal to Raja. Q is equal to Natraz. Java plus Natraz plus sir. We are adding this one or not there, guys? Okay. Thread group. I'm just looking for what? Okay. 3 requests. Okay. Because right now I want to check whether I am able to give or not. That's it. Okay. 1, 2 request only I'm taking. No repetition, nothing. Click save this and run this. 0/2 success. Oh, now actually they blocked this. Google is what? Seriously blocking this IP address based request, guys. Maybe for 1, 2 days they will block, or few days they will block. See, if I give 1, 2 request also, it is not taking. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? But we'll try with some other website now. Okay, there are so many websites, boss. There are so many websites where we can do searching, where we need request parameters kind of thing. Huh? Where exactly we need request parameters. YouTube.com. Hello. Otherwise, here also say Natrasal. Yeah, did you see this video, guys? Offline classes before Corona. Before Corona, offline classes used to be like this. Right? Lucky people. Because that time there was no online support. We used to take completely what? Offline classes. Yeah, don't surprise. This is me only before losing the weight. One TV channel approached me for my interview. I have given my interview. Okay. Right. If you are, I think he is my old student. Yeah. There are many things are there. Fine. Let it be. Yeah. It's coming or not, guys? Come on. Yeah. This is the URL which I want to test. Fine. Thread group 1. Okay. Number of requests 2 only. HTTP request, guys. Here, what is the one I want to write? YouTube.com. What's the URL it is giving, guys? Say paste. Okay. /results. YouTube.com already kept na boss. /results search _ query Natraz plus sir. Java plus Natraz plus sir. Okay. This also I don't write here. 1 minute. Only results I write. What is the URL? HTTPS. Yeah. Tell me what is the query string here, guys? Search _ query. Here what? Java plus Natraz plus star. Query string. Save this. It's what? Save this. Jmeter pros 2. What's there, guys? Jmeter pros 2. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Jmeter pros 2. Click on send button. Yeah, only 2 records, guys. 1 minute. I'll close it, clear it. I'll clear it. I think I have saved this one to HTTP request one, this youtube.com slash results search underscore query Java plus Natras plus. Yeah, it's good. Why it is not coming then? Results table, fine. Summary report, fine. Clear, guys. Okay. Select this, done. Results table. What's the reason behind this one? Sent to bytes. Bytes is sent to byte. Reverse. No output is coming. Sample time this. Then we have to check. Okay, then we have to check what is the reason behind this error. Because two requests should allow now, boss. That two initial two requests it must allow, right? Am I giving wrong query string or wrong results? Path wrong? Okay, let me try www.youtube.com. What's the complete URL actually? youtube.com results slash search underscore query. Search underscore query. Okay, here I'll don't write like this, I'll just write Java Natras. Java Natras, text plain include equals. Save this. Yeah, tell me, click on run button. Clear. Jmeter pros 2. Yeah, it's now. Are spaces are there, na? They are giving. In request parameter value, space is there, na? That is giving the prop. So it's able to take the request or not. We don't see the output, guys. We don't see the output. Whether it's only testing whether it is able to take the request or not. That max we can check. That is what maximum we can check, right? Okay. Fine. So if you want to pass request parameter, provision is given. Okay. Generate graph results using what? Listener support. I'm interested to generate what? Graph. I'm interested to generate what? Graph. Okay. What is that? Aggregate graph. Okay. That's fine. I'm interested to generate what? Aggregate graph. Okay. Like this graph will come or not there, guys. But you have to decide what you want to see in X coordinate, what you want to see in what? Y coordinate. So when you take a different listener, you will get the graph also now, boss. Yeah, now let me put it. I just want to get as a graph, guys. I just want to get it as what? Graph. Yeah, that's what. File. Where is this? Open. Jmeter 3 pros 3. Jmeter 3 what? Pros 3. Okay, already some. Okay, this is empty, boys. Whatever is there, I'm emptying it. Right click, guys. Add. Where is this? Listener, guys. Tell me. What is there? Listener, guy. What is there, guys? Listener. Listener. What is there? Aggregate graph. What's there, guys? Aggregate graph. Thread group 1. Tell me. HTTP request 1. View results in table 1. Aggregate what? Graph 1. What is there, guys? Aggregate graph 1. Understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Yeah. View results in table 1. Aggregate graph 1. That's it. This is my HTTP request 1. Okay, that's good. Save. Jmeter pros 3, thread group 1, HTTP request 1, view results table 1, aggregate what? Graph 1. Okay. So now, when you select the graph, you have to tell what you want to get in which place. Okay. Average. It is automatically picking the colors, guys. That's fine. Graph table, report graph, tell. Dynamic page graph with width and height you decide. Okay, max length of x-axis label. Scale max value of what? This. So how much max value you want to have, how much max value you want. If you don't give it, give it this. X-axis label, x-axis label. Fine. Don't worry about the width and height. Report graph. This. Okay, now thread group is giving how many requests? 1,000 requests. That's fine. Right, not that. You click on run button. You click on run button. Already 1,000 requests are generated or not generated. Yeah. Okay. View results one, success is coming. Clear? Clear? Okay. You run it again. Okay. 1,000 requests came and gone. Okay. Now you go to this place. Now you go to this place, display graph. Thousand samples, average is one, meridian is one, 90% line is one. But where is my information? HTTP request 1 milliseconds. But why graph results are not coming, guys? Settings. Settings, report graph. Dynamic. No, length is not an issue. No? Max length of what? Access label. That is a max length and scale maximum value. 1,000. Max length of label. That's not a big issue. I'll take some other graph. Remove this. What's the graph I have taken, guys? Add a aggregate graph to the thread group 1. Okay, that's fine. Aggregate graph to the thread group 1. Okay, use this button to generate the graph. In settings, nothing we have to take. Column label selection. Summary report. Why the information is not coming? Okay. Application is in running mode. Wait, don't worry. Yeah, where is this? Right click. Clear, guys, clear. Tell me. Thread group 1. What is there? Listener. Aggregate report graph. Where is the graph? Yeah. Can we take response time graph? This is also looking nice. Aggregate graph, fine. Aggregate means combination of multiple. Maybe aggregate graph will come when you give back-to-back multiple requests, right? Okay, now I'll just take response time graph, guys. Graph time. Response graph. Graph time is what? Response graph. Minimum value, maximum value, I don't want. Tell me. Save this. Graph 1. Save this. Tell me. Right click, click on it. Display graph. Unable to graph, not enough data. Not enough data. Okay, we'll run one more time. Thread group, 1000 requests, that's fine. 1000 requests. Yeah, view results table. Here we are getting data, na? Nice data, fine. Okay, response graph, display graph. Yeah, but I'm not looking for this graph. I'm looking for what? Yeah, 1 minute. There may be a setting which I'm missing. Go to settings, guys. Title response graph. Is there any model of the graph, guys? Is there any option to select the model of the graph? Okay. Anyone saying that, sir, column to display should be unchecked. Column to display, sampler label selection, dynamic graph size, that's fine. No, actually, there is a provision to go for this. Sampler selection, this one, legend, okay. Clear, guys, clear. Save this. Actually, I have shown for other batch. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Okay, that's good. Here is what, guys? Display graph. Oh, if this comes, what we can do? We cannot do anything. Now, how to change the type of the graph? Synchronize with name, regular expressions. No, there is no provision to specify type of the graph also, guys. Time format, y second, x-axis, time format, y second, scale, minimum value, increment scale. Alright, it should take everything on its own now, guys. Mm-hmm. 1 minute. We'll go to previous one only. Thread group. Add, guys, listener, aggregate report graph, aggregate graph. File name not required, fine. Aggregate graph 1, okay, that's good. Okay, summary report, column label selection, dynamic x-axis, y-axis, everything I want to take default. Column, where? Acha, right. Yeah, this could be the reason, guys. That's the reason it is not coming. It is displaying only one column, not all column. That's good. Yes, I think that is the one that is missed. Yeah. So all columns should be selected. Now, yeah, I think that's the one that is missed, guys. That's the one that is missed. Fine. Okay. Whatever it is, tell me, go for what? Execution. Again, go for what? Execution. Yeah. Tell me, display graph. Uh, actually coming. Okay. But it actually coming. Okay. Clear it. Clear it. Check it out. Summary report. Summary report. Value should come. Okay. Max length of x-axis label. Scale value max. Scale value max. It's coming, but not appearing as what? Graph. No, it's actually graph basic out structure is coming, but average this 99. Okay, first let me check the result tree. Is there any value? Is there any value, guys? 90%, all this stuff. Aggregate result, aggregate graph. 1 minute. Let me run multiple times. That may give some data. Again this, again this, again this. Done. Yeah, this is there. This is there. Result. What is there? Result. What's happening? So how to refresh it, guys? How to refresh? Display graph. Data is coming, but the data is not reflecting in the graph. When this much data is there, how it can say data is not coming? It is only success. Okay. Only errors means only errors. No. Logs only. No. I want to log everything. Mhm. Okay. 1 minute. When we struck it up, what is there? We'll take the support of ChatGPT of getting the procedure. Yeah. Remove this. Clear it. Okay. I'll do on safe side. 1,000 means is a good count, right? When 1,000 requests are given, there is no wrong of what? Getting craft. Fine. Okay. Maybe our mistake or software mistake, but something output is not coming. Fine. Yeah, we'll ask how to get what is there? Aggregate graph report. Aggregate graph report in Jmeter. How to get aggregate graph report in what? Jmeter. Let's check. Step by step method. Add listener. Open your test plan, right click on what? Test element, thread group, navigate to aggregate graph. Okay, that's good. The aggregate graph shows samples, total number of requested. What? Okay, table graph. 90% line, all this stuff. Generate graph after test run. Run your test. Open graph listener. Click on graph tab. Your graph, you can change graph style, bar or line. Maybe that is missing. Y-axis scaling, right? Column display and what? Colors. Column display and what? Colors. Your option is there. Running Jmeter non-GUI still generating what? Graph. Okay, that's not a big issue, guys. Okay, graph style, something is there which we are missing. Okay, let it be. Add what? Listener. Where is this? Aggregate graph. What is there, guys? Aggregate graph one. Aggregate graph one. Yeah. Where is graph style, guys? I'm not seeing anywhere. Okay. Okay. Select all these checkboxes. 90%, 95%, 99, min, max value. Okay. value this, style this, draw outlines bar, show number grouping, value this. Hmm. I'm not finding that option at all. Okay, let me check horizontally. Save table header. Okay, fine. Where is the option of graph style, guys? No values to graph. Okay, that's fine. Column label selection. Column label selection. Graph title. Summary report. I think I have to reduce this thing little by. No, it's not coming. There's still downside options are there. Downtime options are there. Legend array, that is what this. It's only size all this stuff now, guys. Where is the option that we are missing, guys? Graph style. Where is graph style? Dynamic width and this. Any option we are missing at right side or left side? But why it is asking the one that is not there? Open graph user. Click on graph toss to this one. You can change graph style, bar or line. Y-axis scaling. What is there? Column display and what? Color. Run the test. Go to aggregate and click on what? Click on that. You will give this one. CSV data output. Using Jmeter CMD plugin to graph. That's not a big issue, guys. Open the aggregate problem. Go to graphs and see the crow. Samples, average response time, min, max, standard deviation, error percentage, 90% line, through output. Every information is there or not there, guys. Yeah, check it out. Median 91st, 95%, maximum, minimum, error percentage. Whatever we thought that is there or not there, guys. But where is the option of graph style? Maybe, am I missing something here? Am I missing something, anything there? Fine, let it be. Right click, so run first time over, run second time, run third time, run fourth time, run fifth time, run sixth time, run seventh time, run eighth time. So this is success. Okay, the 8,000 samples have come. No error percentage. Some data is there, right? Graph. Settings of the graph. Okay, save table data means that's internally saving. Save graph. Yeah, these are only for save purpose. Display graph. Display graph is coming, but no bars are coming. How much data it reads, guys? So much data we have given, but still it's not working properly. Run your test graph. 1 minute. Graph style. Y-axis scaling, column display this. Somewhere we are missing that option, Rava. Maybe bar. Which one? Which size? This one? How does it matters, guys? Placement. Placement bottom. Yeah. Right. Font. Style bold. This is just a test for displaying things, na boss. Uh, y-axis or a scale maximum value. Okay. What are the scale maximum value? Some 100 I'll take. Label max length is what? 10. Save this. Run, run. Where is this graph? No, it's coming. Bold, italic. These are the display is coming, but actual graph is missing or not there? Actual graph is missing. Okay. Color is coming. Everything is coming, but the graph data is not coming. Actually, by default, that should come, Ra Babu. Why it is not coming? Columns display. You can change graph style, y-axis scaling. 1 minute. What is this y-axis scaling, guys? Yeah. Go to settings. Okay. Y-axis scaling. Okay. X-axis scan, max length of x-axis cable. 100. Maybe if I'm able to see this column label selection, case sensitive. Jmeter, this. Click on run button. Click on run button, run button. Okay. Aggregate graph, display graph. Okay. Its values are coming, but the question is, no, it's showing scale, guys. It's showing scale. It's not like that. It's not showing scale. Max of 10,000, it's showing scale. Access label also it is showing. But the data is not aggregated. It's not like the data is not there. We have a lot of data or not there. We have a lot of data or not there, guys. The data is not coming as a graph. Okay, just to see the diagram that is there. Okay, how many each count, guys? Based on the count, it is deciding the things are not there. Just a minute. What I do is, no, I'm not going to give up, guys. 1 minute. Thread this one. I'll make it what? 1 lakh. Maybe data is less. Who knows? Okay. By assuming data is less, okay, I'll give more requests. Yes. I think now I'm assuming data is less, guys. No firewall. Oh, this local web server also not able to take. Fine, no problem. Errors might be there. Okay. Because if you give those many requests, definitely any web server should fail or not. Aggregate, guys. Settings. Where is this display graph? Yeah. A long time onwards, what's the problem? Data is less. We are thinking that problem is that, but data is less. Understood was? Because the scale I have taken is what? 10,000. So since scale I have taken is what? 10,000. The data looks what? Definitely less or not? Okay, settings. Okay, I'll take 1,000 there. I'll take what? 1,000. Okay. Max length of this. Okay, this is 10 only. Thread group. I want to take what? 1,000. 10,000 request only. 10,000 request only. Fine. That's what is there, guys? HTTP request one, results in table one, aggregate graph one. What's there, guys? Aggregate graph. Once again, run it. Okay, now you check it out. All are selected. Display graph. Yeah, see, when I take in 1000, it is giving more now. Yeah, earlier problem is two things. Number one, data problem, then Y scale, Y axis scale range. If you give proper range for Y axis, problem is not there. Okay, no, I'll go for freshly, guys. I'll go freshly. Here also what? Freshly. Okay, now how many requests? 1000 requests, that's fine. Graph, settings, Y axis, max 10,000 I would like to take. Come on, max 10,000 I would like to take. I think now things are in control, guys. Yeah, sometimes it happens. We think something, it will happen. Yeah, you generate number one, number two, number three, number four, number five. Like this, multiple requests we are taking, guys. Come to this display graph. Okay, 10,500 onwards, right? So maybe data is not sufficient because here 10,000 is there. Actually, I have taken 10,000 or 1,000. Okay, I'll make it 1,000. I'll make it what? 1,000. Yeah, when 1,000 is taken, display the graph. When 1,000 is taken, display. How many requests we are giving? 1,000. When 1,000 is taken, display. Okay, fine. Let's generate more and more data. Just generate what? More and more data. More and more data. It's coming, but still it says what? Data is not sufficient because maybe one, two values are there, right? Okay. Settings, guys, let's make it what? 100. If I put 100, save it. Ready group 1, request 1, view results in table, this, display graph. So number of requests are going down now or we have to give. See, still 18, 4. The data is like this now, guys. Come on. That's why the data is what? Not sufficient. Fine. So as usually what we do, thread group will try to give what? One time 1 lakh request, guys. Then we will get more and more data. Okay. Data problem and that one. Because this aggregate data, na, always average data will be there. I think now a lot of data has come. Since a lot of data has come, okay, settings, display graph. Definitely some data will come there or not. Definitely some data is coming over here or not there. Fine. It's all about playing with what, guys? Numbers. That Y scale maximum thing, that is matters. Suppose now you go to Y scale, you make it what? 1,000. You make it what? 1,000. Still looks it small thing only, na? Display graph. Okay, save this settings 1,000 display graph. Okay, fine. So I will make it what? 10,000. 10,000 is a big thing now, boss. Okay, now display graph. No, accordingly things are changed or not. So the y-axis value and data, both these are very important to work with the graphs are not there. Fine. Yeah, still practicals are not completed, boss. Okay, now let me update this knowledge here. Yeah, also specify the y-axis max value. Also specify the y-axis max value. All right. Right, fine. Yeah, that's the one thing that is really mattering or not there. Yeah. Yeah. Still, I have not discussed about timers, guys. Different time of timers are there. How to deal with those timers. Then only they can go for peak, that spike test, random test, volume test. Many things are there or not there. Yeah, we will discuss that part when we meet in what tomorrow's. So now let me upload this document, guys. Yeah, where is this? 11 a.m. or something else? DevSecApps tools. DevSecApps tools, guys. Huh? 23. Yeah, 10. 2310, guys. Where is this? JUnit or Jmeter? File upload. Class content. Yeah, y-axis value and data. These two are important for report generation. Without that only we struggled, nothing else. Because that to aggregate data, na, very small. Average values will be there, not the correct value. Yeah, tell me next one. Tools FS 905. Next, what is there? Gradle, Jmeter. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.